Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure your console is online and your Xbox profile is the one linked to Microsoft Rewards. Sign in now. This connects your gamer tag to rewards tracking. Once signed in, check that your Microsoft account has rewards enabled and that region settings match the program. Mismatches block points. If you use multiple profiles, switch to the one enrolled in rewards. Now that prerequisites are done, move to the guide on accessing rewards, features directly from the dashboard. You'll now navigate the dashboard to reach Microsoft Rewards. Open the guide, go to the store or your profile area, and look for the Rewards Hub or a Rewards tile. Once there, browse daily sets and time-limited offers. Claiming is usually one click. Make sure to redeem Xbox-specific tasks, like playing certain game modes or linking Game Pass. These often give bonus points. If an offer requires external confirmation, follow the on-screen prompts and allow the app a moment to update your points balance. To finish, verify your points have appeared in the rewards balance on the hub. This confirms claims succeeded. If points don't sync, sign out and back in, restart the console, or clear the Microsoft Store cache. These steps refresh account tokens. Make sure your profile is still linked to the correct Microsoft account because accidental switches break tracking. If problems persist, use the built-in troubleshoot flow or contact Xbox support. They can reconcile missing points. Keep dates and claim screenshots handy for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.